So we've went over most of the file security issues and techniques that we can do with the htaccess file. We can also implement password protected directories, and if you have cPanel or another good hosting panel, there's usually an area where you can password protect your directories. So that's just an added layer of security. I know with cPanel it's difficult to password protect the WordPress admin directory if your WordPress site isn't a subdirectory like mine is, because here we're in the public HTML directory, and then WordPress is in blog, and then inside of that is the WordPress admin directory. So let's pretend that the WordPress is installed in our root in public HTML, where it usually would be. So I'm going to create a new folder called admin, and this is for not only WordPress but any kind of CMS or platform where you have a secure admin area. And in here I'm just going to put an index.html file which just says this is the admin area. Alright, so I'm going to drag that in there, and now let's try to go to that /admin. Alright, so this is the admin area. Now we want to protect this entire directory. So let's go ahead and go to our cPanel account. Alright, so if you have cPanel, you should have some kind of layout like this. You might have a different template, a different style, but you should have pretty much the same icons. So if we go down to security, we have this icon, this password protect directories. We want to click on that, and then we want to open it at the root of techguystaging.com. Now here is where we can choose which folders we want to password protect. You can see I have a videos folder and a files folder that are protected. We want to protect our admin folder. So if we just click on admin, we get this input area. So password protect this directory. We want to check that, and then name the protected directory. And we'll just name it admin. Okay, we'll save that. Okay, so access permissions for admin have been set. So what we want to do now is create a user down here. So our user will just be admin. We'll have a password. This should be a secure password. Mine's not, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to delete this. And then click on Add, Modify, Authorize User. Alright, so now we have our user created. And down here we can see all of our authorized users for this area, for this admin area. Alright, so let's go and try this again. We're going to reload this. And now we get a security pop-up, and you wouldn't see this. Let me just open a new tab and go to that. Alright, so now our password, our username is admin, and our password, and then it proceeds to let us go to the admin site, the admin area. Now this is something you might want to do with your WordPress admin area, because you'll have two layers of security, of passwords. They'll have to enter the server password, and then they'll have to enter your admin password. So it's makes it that much harder for someone to break into your site.